On allegations made by the opposition Congress Party, the president of the National People's Party Shillong City, Anthony Nongbri, refuted the same by stating that the Congress Party is finding fault with the present government on various issues that had been taken up by previous governments. He therefore urged upon the Congress Party to refrain from playing a political game of misleading the public against the MDA government.
Kemensi metrelang bat kanik sarkar ngi bakam don ni don ye kiliang persya ki bersuap tang kadau bat ban le politik si ke bro ba benang aiding ye ke bro benang persniudur ya kanika jinglong jingman hapo ka jala jungi ikwa ba ka jingsuk ka jingsong sngan kan don ha ka jala jungi ikwa ba ki pai ba kinsuk tingi kenpa ya gitu badan kaliang persya bakin numsim kabu daga bakan thok kumne bat kumtai sarkar hendrai bani trelang naman ngilai ina do kapor suaga Christmas kumno kikin thok haki bubon ki benta bam sya ya karol bam sya kunta ban kta e kaben sim ki kristan hendrai bide bantip bam don jong ka seng kasim don jong ki muslim kait kam don ke bale kalong na kapta ka jingbit jingbiang jong pajba amdan kanu sarkar ka ban yang man persya ya ki kristan la jong ngiru ngide ki kristan ngin persya ya ka jinglong kristan la jong tikidon kino ilam teng ki belam bakla ban ken shot ik pajba ban persau bakani gadi ke sarkar ka ba isi ik kristan ka ba ben ik kristan dan ne ka bam pa ban knyat ik kristan tikini kidi ki kam ke balong ki bam itna bakidon kino ilam ki basdang ban pendan kam baklar nakam ta ka buit politik joki